Undercover reporting by The Journal Investigates found that many disposable vapes you can buy in shops shouldn't be available on the Irish market. This is important because vapes are regulated to ensure the ingredients are what manufacturers say they are, and that there's not a dangerous amount of nicotine in them. In some cases, we found the devices contain more than the legal amount of e-liquid. For example, these two here. This one lacked the required safety information. Some were actually expired, which an expert described to us as just adding more risk to an already very risky situation for vapers. Others were actually meant for the UK market. Take Lost Mary, for example, whose packaging should feature an Irish flag when sold in Ireland. This one was bought in a busy newsagent in Dublin city centre, but wasn't meant to be sold in Ireland. All of these were bought in different shops, but had the same problem. They're not authorised for the Irish market. You can read our investigation in full over on TheJournal.ie.